All right, guys, like I said in the other ones, all the basic stuff you've seen us do on the channel a million times, so I didn't film it, but check out where we're at. Just got the oil system primed, about to stab the distributor in, but I mean, basically all the peripherals are done. I'll raise it up here in a second, but yeah, guys, pretty much just got to stab the distributor. We got to fill up the coolant. What I say, we already primed the oil system, so we're good there. But yeah, guys, everything is pretty well on, and I'm going to tell you right now. So this is what I mean by when you start putting nice stuff under the hood of an older car, then you notice all the stuff you didn't replace. Look at this freaking AC hose. I mean, everybody's pretty much looks like that unless you just replaced it. But as you know, that's one where you got to do the dryer too. But yeah, I'm gonna replace that here before too long. But anyway, everything else came out just, what a difference. And obviously I'll get the finished package together here shortly for you. But man, guys, what a freaking job this has been. But we're on the home stretch now. Hard work pays off. All right, guys, so up the skirt shot. We are all complete, all the hoses and lines and everything else, exhaust. We are 100% good underneath. I don't like the way that muffler is tilted, but we'll fool with that later. Right now we need to get rolling on it. But yeah, guys, see, this doesn't make any sense to me. The tailpipes are perfectly straight and the muffler's not. All right, whatever, let's get back to the show here. But yeah, guys, everything underneath is good. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little curious why there's oil there, but we'll worry about that later. But yeah, everything else, got the new pressure line for the power steering, did the conversion to the mini starter. So that took a lot longer than I expected, but we good now. Almost there. All right, boys, quick update. This has been a complete pain in the rear. Put coolant in it, and coolant ran everywhere. I didn't have a plug in the back of the intake, and I think the thermostat slipped down, so I had to pull both of the upper and the thermostat housing back off. Got it back together, got it timed. I think we're going to try and bust it off here. Oh, and I fucked the starter up, excuse my language, when I hooked up one of the leads, and so I had to pull the starter back off. Yeah, this has been a fun day, and we've accomplished essentially nothing, but it is timed. Yes, a little power steering fluid before we bust it off, because we don't want to destroy our new hose or our new pump. And clean that up a little bit. Yeah, guys, we're gonna bust it off here, make sure everything's good, look for leaks. Hopefully it starts. Hopefully. Yeah. Hopefully I didn't break anything else, right? Yeah. You pour it?
No.
Oh, okay.
I don't want you to film me pouring that everywhere.
Oh, okay.
I want you to...
That clean engine, right? But guys, I'll tell you, this is I've screwed up about 5 different things and had to take them back apart, so this day's been a long day, but I think we're actually finally ready. Stand by. All right, moment of truth. We got coolant, power steering fluid.
Is there a little wire on the solenoid?
No. Where is it? Around here somewhere. There it is. The battery pump? Yeah. What? It might have an exhaust leak. Yeah, it is hooked up. What the hell? Yeah, maybe I need to run it up a little more. All right, guys, stand by. All right, official first fire, take 2. Yeah, it's still leaking. No, it's not. We've been tightening the crap out of it too, and it's still leaking. But it is alive for the most part. No, it doesn't. I got a power steering leak over there. All the coolant leaks are taken care of now, which is progress. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna say probably next time you see us, we'll be doing smoky burnouts. Just a lot more boring little crap to take care of. We almost there. All right, so the plan was we were gonna drive it and do the first fire all in one video. We got the H pipe's gonna have to come back off, and it's like it's not sealing to the headers good, no matter how tight we get it. I'm gonna have to pull that back off. Brand new power steering line is pouring fluid, but other than that, we're good. So I'm gonna end it here. I'm freaking whooped, and I'm kind of aggravated at this thing, but we will revisit it very soon for the very first drive. Stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoy it. Go back to part 1 and 2 if you haven't seen those, and we'll catch you on the next one.